Welcome, everyone, to another edition of the Highball Advisors Railroad Retirement Mailbag. My name is John McNamara of Highball Advisors, and today's question comes in from a CTW. He says, I'm 51 years old, a married man with 28 years of service. I am also bivocational. I work for a charity, which I love, and they pay me, which gives me another income that pays into Social Security. If I left the railroad at 53 with my 30 years of service and stayed working for the charity, how would that impact my railroad retirement at 60? So first of all, congratulations on your 30 plus years and also for the charity work. That's great that you're doing those things. However, you're going to be a W-2 employee. So what that means is that current connection is going to get severed, all right, and you're going to forfeit your survivor annuity. So you want to keep an eye on that, depending upon how long you work before you start your annuity. So, because if you leave at 53 and keep doing that W-2, that's past the 12 months of service in the last 30. However, the service and age annuity would be unaffected at 60. It's just that survivor annuity that we want to keep an eye on. Check out my video, Do I Need a Current Connection to Receive Railroad Retirement Benefits? And that will go through a lot of those issues. So, railroaders, I hope you found this video helpful. Feel free to shoot in your questions. I'll do a video on. Until next time, everyone, please stay safe, stay on track, and take care. So long, everybody. Bye.